Yeah, so in order to find credible sources, you first go to Google Scholar. Then you can type in any topic you want. So let's say I want to put in COVID vaccines. So that's the topic I'm going to use for my paper. And then that's it. And then Google Scholar will come up with 3 credible sources for your paper, like developing COVID-19 vaccines, the COVID-19 vaccine development landscape, or the BCG vaccine protection from severe coronavirus disease, or any of these kinds of, any of these articles are all fine. And then you click onto here, all right, and then your make this smaller, and then up here where you have your HTML website link, and then developing COVID-19 vaccines at pandemic speed. That's the website title, and then you would find whoever the author is, and then the author is Nicole Lurie, Melanie Seville, Richard Hatchett, and Jane Halton. And so that's the author. And then if you're gonna take a direct quote, so an example of a direct quote would be vaccines for the severe acute respiratory SARS, Ebola, and Zika did not follow a similar path. The SARS and Zika epidemics ended before vaccine development was complete, and federal agencies reallocated funds that had been committed to vaccine development, leaving manufacturers with financial losses and setting back other vaccine development programs. So here I would, if I'm citing this word per word as a direct quote, I would put a beginning parentheses before vaccines, and I would put an ending parentheses after programs, and then I would put author, date, and page number. And if I wanted to paraphrase this and say that vaccine development ended before they found a cure, then you would just write the author's name and the date. So the author, the date is 2020, and then the author's name is Lurie. So you could have Lurie 2020. That would be the in-text citation for all of this. And then you would use Kapow to describe how current it is. To describe how reliable it is. And that's it. You're done with your three credible sources.